trying to figure out how to replace their livelihood after thousands of dollars of tools were stolen.
At a crime wave in the San Fernando Valley, thieves are targeting work vans, hoping to score some prized property.
More than $50,000 worth of product was gone when staff arrived on scene.
Okay, we got a 2019 Ford Transit. We end up installing the Clifford 3105 alarm. Later on, he's going to get the module for the text alert from the phone. What happened is somebody went ahead and broke this window, and I'll show you what they did inside to open this back door. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys any doors that is open in this van. We'll fire off the alarm. Okay, we hooked it up to all the doors, of course. This is what they did. They cut a hole here, stuck their hand, unlatch it from here, and open this door. That's how they got in and emptied the guy out a few thousands of dollars worth of tools. So he gave us a call, and we went ahead and installed the alarm. So if that happens next time they break the window, that will fire off the alarm. Or any window that they hit in the van. Only the windows that they have is only in the front anyway. Any door that opens in this van, it'll fire off the alarm. Later on, he'll get the module, so he'll receive the push notification email text message to his phone. It also comes with GPS tracker, and from the app on the phone, he can arm and disarm it. That's an add-on he's going to get later. But yeah, they went ahead and did him dirty there. This is the antenna that goes in the top. It gives you the LED light, so when you close the door at nighttime, you can see the light flashing, and it'll let everybody know you have an alarm. So yeah, it's a nice, I'm sure if they would have seen that, he would have had an alarm system, you know, since this is parked in front of a house next to his window. They would have not been able to break in, because the minute they'll break that window, will fire off. And if they would have done it in a way that the alarm wouldn't fire off, they will have to open the door anyway, and then the alarm will trigger anyway. So yeah, I don't think they would have sat there and start emptying out a van with a bunch of tools with this thing honking next to this guy's window. But yeah, this is the Clifford 3105. Panic buttons in the bottom here. To arm the alarm, you hit lock. Disarm it here, hit unlock. It hooks up to the door. It hooks up to the door locks on the vehicle, so it will lock and unlock your doors. And then in any event, you have this remote control. I mean, you have the factory fob. This will still work. We don't disconnect anything. The only thing, it will not disengage my alarm. But in the event that my remote control goes bad, you can get in by hitting unlock here. And then there's a little procedure that you have to do to override my system. And that's about it. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We're auto alarm specialists here based on Miami. If you're in need for protecting your van and protecting your tools, give us a call. We do have mobile service, and we thank you for watching this video.